Hey friends, it's Stephanie with Three Queens Resale, and I have a little unboxing of some makeup I got to resell. So if that sounds like something you want to hear about, stay tuned.
Resale where the deals just shine. Boss ladies on the grind every single time. From fitness to new, they got the fashion view. Step into their world, you feel brand new. Got Gucci, got Prada, got everything you crave. The passion for fashion is what they bravely gave. Resale game strong and the ladies in command. Three queens.
Welcome in, friends. Thanks for joining. I am Stephanie with Three Queens Resale. I am a full-time reseller. I sell on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, Whatnot, Depop, Macari. So yeah, I think that's all we're doing right now. But right now, so if you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. Be sure to hit that like button and follow for reseller content from a regular girl who's just trying to hustle and pay her bills and get her kid through college. That's my story. And if you are a reseller bestie, welcome back, besties. I do appreciate you. And today's video is just a little unboxing. So I am doing live auctions on Whatnot. And through December, we have some great low starts. We are really just trying to get Three Queens out there on Whatnot, build a following with lower starts, get people in there. Hopefully things get bidded up, but right now we're in the growing marketing part. I've been on Whatnot for over a year, and to be honest, I haven't been consistent until recently. And so I see people who started a year and a half ago, like I did, and they are killing it, but they really, really worked it and they gave up everything else. They weren't listing, they are just all in on Whatnot. I am not ready to be all in on Whatnot, but I do want live auctions to be a pivotal part of our business. It doesn't hurt when you're an entrepreneur to put eggs in as many baskets as you can. So, part of my live auctions, we are all thrifted items. I thrift everything myself, and that's how I market myself. But I do want to start bringing in some new items. So I found this lot of makeup on eBay, and actually when I was looking up lots of makeup on eBay, I decided to look it up. This was the first one and the auction was ending and I just pushed it, so I just went for it. And so this is Elizabeth Arden makeup, which turns out to be pretty pricey. And so I'm just going to go through. There's lots of duplicates, which is great. I've already loaded these into my Whatnot, my Buy It Now, because that's what I wanted. I wanted something smaller that people could buy in the Buy It Now, regardless of size or brand or anything. So this is the Elizabeth Arden Intervene Peel and Reveal revitalizing treatment. So this is like a face mask like treatment, and these are pretty expensive, like retail, and I'm put them in my Buy It Now for $8. So I have four of those. This was super expensive. It is Pore Dermabrate Dr. Bandit's. I'll put Pore Dermabrasion treatment, exfoliator treatment. This is in on our Whatnot and our Buy It Now for $10. I saw some for 54 on Amazon. Now, these are makeup. This is the Lift and Firm makeup with SPS 15. This is the color 16 Spice. And when I looked at their color chart, it actually looks like a color for me, like my skin tone. So I think I'm going to keep one to try for myself. And then if I can't use it, I'll just toss it or give it to my sister. Because once I decide to use it, I can't resell it. I'm not going to resell it because I don't want to dig my finger in there. But I've never used cream makeup, and so it doesn't hurt to try. This is Flawless Finish Correcting and Highlighting Perfector. And this was number 5. And so I have four of these. I think I have these for like $7 or $8 in my buy it now. These are $135. This is some type of serum on but I've got them listed for 10, just because I only have this path. It's like a 5 step process, but I only have this step, which I think is the step 3. So I have two of these. We have these mascaras, and this is the and lash extending treatment mascara. And I am a sucker for trying new mascaras. I had 10 of these. They're in our buy it now for $5, no, $7 a piece. So just little stocking stuffers for friends. These are toner for dry skin. So this is the gentle hydrating toner. I think I put these in there for $3. We have a ton of them. I think I have like 10. And I have this Pure Finish Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 15. And this is in Deep 4. Deep 4 is the color. And then we had 4 of these lipsticks. This is Flame, and this is their Ultra Cream lipstick. So it's like a red with kind of like a orangey undertone. So I don't wear that kind of red, but it will look great on someone else. I was seeing if I got all the things, but so yes, I got 50 products in total. I paid $50 for all the whole box, and so it's an opportunity for me to A, have something in my buy it now, B, get used to or start selling something besides clothes, kind of see how it goes, and kind of branch out from here. So I will let you know how it goes. Hopefully, it goes great. Make sure if you are not following me on Whatnot that you do. There's a link below in the description for $15 off your first purchase. If you can't find anything to buy from me, there are thousands of other great shoppers, sellers on Whatnot. So make sure that you buy something. Use your free $15. I mean, it's free. But thanks for joining, friends, and I will see you in the next one. Be sure to like and give this a thumbs up.